Hello everyone, today we are going to take a quick look at the GoPro dual battery charger. This is a bundle pack. It comes with the dual port charger and an extra battery. The battery is for the GoPro 8 Black, but also should work on some of the older models. You may be aware that the GoPro 8 Black has a newer battery with a newer smart chip inside, and it's claimed that it provides a higher discharge current, thus enabling some extra features on the GoPro 8. And if you use other type of batteries, you are going to have an error that they cannot supply enough power for your GoPro 8. So in the box we get the charger itself, USB cable, which is type C, really nice, and the extra battery hidden very well there, and a lot of cardboard. Alright, and I'm going to take the battery out, and I'm going to use the provided cable. The biggest advantage of this charger is that you don't have to use a plug, wall plug charger, but you can use a power bank when you travel, so this should provide you mobile charging capabilities. And as simple as that, I'm going to insert the battery, and it's now charging. Do we get a light? Yes, we have this nice LED here that is kind of orange. That probably means charging. And I can take the battery out of my GoPro and plug this in, and there you go, the battery is charging at once. I'm curious to find another thing, so I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put this charge doctor here. So this shows the voltage of my power bank, and now it will show the current that's going into the charger. So it's increasing a bit. Both batteries are charging, but that's kind of slow. It's just 0.5 amps. Let's try the other port. Let's see. Is it faster here? About the same. So my power bank may not be supplying enough power, but there is also voltage drop there. And now, for science sake, I'm going to use a very fast USB charger. This is similar with the GoPro supercharger, as I call it. This has quick charging for mobile phones, should be interesting. And I'm going to plug in the charge doctor. So there you go, already 0.5. Let's see what happens. It's still kind of slow, but I'm going to let it work for a bit of time. There we go, so the amperage has increased. We have 0.85, 82 or something like that. So with the other charger, this one can draw bigger power. I wonder if other chargers will supply more than that, but that's fine. You don't want to charge the batteries too fast, because that will is going to reduce their lifespan. So this is kind of decent if you charge them that way, but I really enjoy charging them with the power bank while on the go. If you have multiple batteries, you can charge two at once, and it's great. And I'm going to remove one of the batteries. Let's see now the current. 0.9. So actually this charger is rather fast, and I'm not supplying it with enough power, the power that can be put into the batteries. Let's insert the second battery now, and as you can see, the power has remained rather the same, so it will not draw more, but probably the charge doctor is actually the limiting factor here, and I think that this can draw more power, but I don't have a smarter device, so the test is kind of, you know, may not be really exact because of this one. The charger itself is really nicely built. It has premium quality finish. It has the rubbery coating here, just like the GoPro 8 has on its body. It has here a large silicone pad, so it will not slip off the table. The batteries both will go really nice in, and you have really visible lights. So yes, it's top quality, really nice, so I highly recommend it. And with the included extra battery, it's kind of good value if you need another extra battery and the charger itself. So go ahead, just get them if you actually need them. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.